This is David in the New Holland CR880, and he is combining this last little bit of spring barley. It's just coming to the end of this field, a couple more runs and they're done. Now this barley was in after rapeseed, so it's spring barley, and I think David was saying until the other year he hadn't been in a combine. I think he said since, I think it was 1992, might be wrong. And I got a message, I'm friends with his daughter, follow her on TikTok, and he mentioned that he was combining locally to me, so I thought I'll pop up after tea, say hello and grab a little bit of footage. And they're chopping this, which will get worked back into the land to add organic matter. You can drop the swath behind and bale it if you wanted to, but they got the chopper on. And that is this field done.